Internal server error 500 when deploying Django application to Elastic Beanstalk. I followed meticulously the official AWS guide to deploy a Django app to Elastic Beanstalk, this URL, for a school project. It is working locally, but when I try to deploy it shows a 500 error message. I went through many adjustments in my code but they don't seem effective. The AWS dashboard shows one warning that says, environment health has transitioned from OK to warning. 100% of the requests are failing with HTTP 5XX. Could it be a time zone problem as I am currently in Europe? I tried to change debug mode from true to false, but I don't think that's the problem. I truly do not understand why it's not working. I never got an error in the execution in the terminal and it always deployed everything correctly. It is just not showing the web page for some reason.
Did you resolve it? I struggled for weeks but with a 502 after following exactly the instructions. Then I found this post and deduced it was a typo or outdated instructions, /wsgi.py should be .wsgi column application. Created a pull request to AWS docs and they've updated since.
I was having the same problem, until I realized I hadn't included the following line in my settings.py file. Replacing the link inside the brackets with my own custom application link, as stated in step 5 of the tutorial. After saving the file and committing, I was able to get rid of the 500 error.
I was trying to deploy my Django REST API to Beanstalk by following this documentation. And I encountered the same status code 500 error. I managed to solve this problem by making below 2 changes. AWS Beanstalk's Python 3.6 environment doesn't seem to work well with latest Django versions. So I created a new Python 3.7 environment using this command. Changed WSGI path to WSGI path, your Django project folder.wsgi application. All other things are same as described in that documentation.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.